To create a handmade and artisanal e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, just click on login and proceed to type in your email or your username. And after typing your email, click on next to proceed to type in your password, and it's loading. So after typing your password, click on login in. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. So after typing the name, click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. Choose the answer that fits you. Then do the same with this other question. And then you choose the category of the items that you will be selling. So mine is about handmade and artisanal. So I'm going to choose arts and crafts. And also I'm going to choose jewelry and accessories. And if you can't find your category in this list, just click on other, then click on continue. After that, type in the address of your store if you already have a store in the real world. If not, just skip this step and give them a few seconds to build your store, and then you will proceed to your dashboard. As you can see, this is the dashboard, and here in your right you have the edit site button. Also you have the design now button, and both of them do the same job, which is taking us to the editing phase. And here in your left you have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of these sections and explain it for you, starting with website. It's where we have also the edit site button. Then we have the domains, if you want to set a domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section, where you have the site's items if you want to create new products or delete the ones that you already have or change them. And if you want to create categories for those products, you can do it in the site's categories. Also we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. And that's it for this section. Then we have the orders section, where you can check all of your orders, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, the cancelled one, the paid one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set up your pickup settings and your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section, where we have the site's traffic reports, site's activity reports, sources reports, online sales reports, site items reports, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, just click on summary. Then we have the marketing section, and basically in this section you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting from email, automated ads, mailing lists, segments, and setup. And on the top we have the summary if you want to see the summary of all these sections. So let's go to the communication section, where we have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And last but not least, we have the settings section, where we have the general settings if you want to change the name of the company or change the address or the email or the phone number, as you can see in here. Then we have the checkout, where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account. Also we have the sales taxes and the units, where you can change the site's language and edit the units that you already have. So that's it for these sections. Let's proceed to let's go back to the overview, and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button. And here the guys, just give it a few seconds to load. It will not take much of time, as you can see. just a second while we build your store. Here we have the setup guide if you want to go through it. If not, just ignore it and it will disappear right now. And here it will show up the site styles. As you can see, it's the first step of designing our site. Here we have styles, and just wait for the store to complete loading, and then we will choose one of these styles and check if it fits our store. So here I'm just going to choose this one, which is pretty simple. Then click on the hide styles button and check if this style fits your store. Then click on apply site styles. After that, we have the site's design, where you can always change the style that you choose before, and also you can add an image to be your logo, change colors, and change fonts. So let's change fonts from Enter to Comforta. Then let's change the font size to 19 pixel. Then let's change the type scale to 1.18 or 20. 23 looks good. Then let's leave everything as that. After you're done, click on done, and then let's change the shapes of the buttons from pill to rounded. The same thing with images. Let's go with rounded, then click on done. After that, we have the site elements. If you want to change one of these, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free plan to the paid version, and when you're done, you click on done. And then in here, let's close this one first. If you want to find a custom domain, just type in the domain and click on search. And if you want to use a domain you own from somewhere else, you can do that in here. And also if you want to use Weebly subdomain, let's close this one and dismiss all, dismiss again. And here with this plus button, you can create a new section, new page, item, or category. And here you have here some pages, sections, and so on. If you want to change them, just click on it. If you want to hide it or show it, you can do that, change the place of it, or if you want to delete it, you can do all of that. So that's it guys for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.